Hello everybody. In this video, we are going to take information about our course, which is a 1 month bridal makeup intensive class. ये कोर्स क्या है? अगर आपने एक मराठी में वीडियो पहले ऑलरेडी देख चुके हैं तो इट्स द सेम वीडियो बट द इंफॉर्मेशन इज फॉर पीपल who are not so good with Marathi. That's why we are going to make it in Hindi and English for more people to understand. So ये कौन सा कोर्स है? तो ये साल में हम लोग एक बार ही लेते हैं, other than our CDESCO courses or other than the makeup mastery program or the weekly courses, personal makeup courses what we take. So this course is going to be only once in a year. This is an offline course. ये same course online भी available है. If you inquire with our office team, they can send you the details for the offline and the online course both. So आइए देखते हैं इस वीडियो में एक information about what this course is going to offer you. आपको उसमें क्या सीखने को मिलेगा and who should do the course. Now first question what people generally ask is किसने ये course करना चाहिए? So if you are a student, आप अभी भी 12th pass out हो या 10th pass out हो and you want to just have a look and feel of ये makeup industry क्या है, your parents are not ready to invest too much, this is a course which is very fairly priced, very economically priced for more students who want to pursue the career in makeup or who just want to have an introduction to what makeup industry is. They want to take orders. So with this course, you can definitely start working in a smarter way. Now, secondly, if you are a beautician, आप एक beautician हो और एक makeup artist हो, या आप just you are only makeup person, you don't know how to do the makeup, hair and draping, everything. So this course will help you because we are going to cover 20 hairstyles and draping also. I will just explain the syllabus in the video now. Then if you are already an existing makeup artist और आप अटक रहे हो बीच में काम करते करते, you don't know why the makeup turns gray, what product should I use on oily skin, acne कैसे cover करना है, pigmentation कैसे cover करना है, and all those little thing which puts your makeup down, we are going to cover in this. So आइए देखते हैं ये course में exactly क्या क्या होने वाला है. Now first let me explain the bonuses what we are going to offer. With the regular course, you get one look and learn demo on airbrush and HD makeup products, which is for the first time we are going to give this. Then audio visual sessions on various bridal looks, के Catholic bride कैसे करनी है, Punjabi bride कैसे करनी है, how to do a Gujarati bride, a Maharashtrian bride. We are going to give you few audio visual trainings also. Then ये जो market में latest floral buns चल रहे, hair designs चल रहे, how are you going to inculcate that in your makeup, hair and draping work? Now coming to the main syllabus, वो तो पहले का bonus था. Now this is the actual syllabus what we are going to charge you for. So this is the first point is understanding how to do a perfect base for all skin types like dry, oily, combination, dark, very fair, pigmented, acne prone. What happens is generally people do a lot of courses outside wherein they are taught only on one palette. एक palette पे सिखा देते, कोई Krylon का Supra हो या Pan Stick palette पे. But when client comes to you, client doesn't know what all you have learned. Client will come with his queries or her queries कि मुझे acne है, under eye circles है, pigmentation है, skin is very aging, droopy skin है, आंखों के नीचे lines है. How are you going to handle those kind of customers? Unless and until you don't know the technique, unless and until you don't know the products, you can't work on all these challenges what you see here. Like extremely dry to extremely oily skin hai, open pore hai, and there are multiple challenges on one face as well. Various type of primers, how to use them, how to prep skin. A lot of people feel only one primer. I use a moisturizer, which is a primer for me. No, primers are different. Hydrating creams are different. Oils are different. Serums are different. So you all have to, first understand the product range. कौन से skin के लिए क्या use करना है, and then you will actually start getting good results with your makeup. Then there are four more most important international eye forms which are like fishtail hai, smoky hai, soft cut crease hai, yeah, what is framing of eyes, the C-section and the round eyes. So you are going to be learning all these techniques जो अभी market में चल रहे हैं. Okay, we are not going to go into fashion fantasy, but typical एक bridal हो या कोई भी साइडर का मेकअप, बाराती का मेकअप आपको करना है, you will learn it thoroughly. Contouring techniques, powder से, cream से या reverse contouring technique, this is what we are going to cover. Powder technique है, cream technique है. Then different types of blushers. Generally, people don't know how to mix and match the blushers as per the skin undertone. लोग dress को blushers match करते हैं. So there are a lot of aspects which you need to know with blushers. So उसका stroking कैसे चाहिए, उसको कहाँ तक आपको रुकना है, which face needs a blusher to be start on cheekbone और cheekbone के कितना बाहर लगाना है, अंदर लगाना है. So many questions people face in spite of they're doing some outside courses. So we are going to cover your problems or maybe your queries in that too. Knowledge of highlighters, glimmers, glitters, etc. How to use them. A lot of people just know glitters. They just know highlighter on the cheek or highlighter on the nose, but they don't know how to use glimmers. Few people, they come and they're like, first time they are hearing to the theory of glimmers and glitters, how to apply them. So we will teach you that in this course as well. Eyelashes and lenses fixing, because this is a must even if you are doing a bride या फिर आप बाराती का makeup कर रहे हो. Eyelash and lenses everybody wants nowadays. Creating variety of lip shades, lipsticks भले आपके पास 4-5 हो, you should be able to create multiple different colors as per the client's need. You can't keep all the colors whatever are there in the market. या साड़ी के या ड्रेस के कॉस्ट्यूम के जो कलर्स है, we can't keep all the colors with us. So this is very, very important for you to understand the creation of lip shades. Now, very important, most of the beauticians, salon owners, makeup artists, they are very good with their skill. उनको skill तो बहुत अच्छा आता है कि makeup कैसे करें, but they don't know how to book a bridal makeup assignment. They get tension. मैं charges कितना बताऊँ? मैडम ट्रायल फ्री दूँ कि ट्रायल पेड दूँ? अगर मैंने पेड ट्रायल बोला तो मेरे पास कोई आएगा नहीं. जो भी क्लाइंट आता है वो भाग जाता है. How are you going to hook up the client and how are you going to put up your things in a professional way? This comes with a lot of training and understanding of the subject. This is not a part of a makeup practical, but yes, what I believe and what we believe as a team is, if you are a makeup artist, you should know all these aspects of client handling, problematic skin handling, उनके प्री ब्राइडल पैकेजेस कब स्टार्ट करने, होम केयर क्या देनी है. Lot of makeup artists who go wrong in makeup, they still don't know because the skin is not properly prepared for makeup. The skin throws out the makeup. Break hoti hai skin. The lines come or the skin goes very dry because people don't know what products to be given to the client beforehand. So ये भी एक makeup artist होके आपको समझना बहुत जरूरी है. Then आपके स्किल्स अच्छे हैं, आपके सर्विसेज अच्छे हैं, आपके पास वर्ल्ड क्लास प्रोडक्ट्स है, लेकिन आपको बेचना नहीं आ रहा है. यू कांट सेल, नो पॉइंट. सो यू हैव टू लर्न व्हाट इज मार्केटिंग, ब्रांडिंग, एडवर्टाइजिंग. All three are different. It's not one thing. Advertising requires a different skill, marketing requires a different skill, and branding is a different ballgame altogether. Then how to handle your social media. बहुत लोग कोर्स को आते हैं, they are not on social media, they are not on Facebook, or they are either on Insta, just on Insta, but they don't know what is Pinterest, YouTube क्या है, कैसे handle करना है. So we are going to help you out in understanding the overview, maybe how to have a website, Instagram पे कैसे posting कीजिए, what hashtags to be used, organic growth क्या है, Facebook कैसे handle करना है, all that things. Color theory in makeup is very important when it comes to practical as well as the theoretical understanding of makeup. So that is one part. Then that was all about makeup. Abhi hairstyles pe aate hain. It is not just a makeup course. As I said, you should be able to cater to all the services what client asks. हम इंडिया में रहते हैं और यहाँ पे बहुत कम लोग आपको ऐसे बुक करेंगे कि बस मेकअप के लिए आ जाओ. Most of the people, 90 to 99% times will book you for hairstyle also. So 20 main hairstyle जिसमें tonguing है, messy buns है, attachments है, buns है, rolls है, braiding वाले hairstyles. So which you can easily finish इन द मेकअप हेयर स्टाइल एंड ड्रिपिंग पैकेज जो आप क्लाइंट को देते हो 1 घंटे का 2 घंटे का, उसमें खत्म होने वाले हेयर स्टाइल्स आप इसमें सीखोगे. वी आर नॉट गोइंग टू कवर रशियन और इंटरनेशनल हेयर स्टाइल्स विच टेक अ लॉट ऑफ टाइम टू लर्न एंड टू इम्प्लीमेंट. what happens is, unless and until आपका बेस अच्छा हो, unless and until you are not perfect with how to blow dry it well, how to put the rollers, volumizing है मुझे नहीं आता, ये crimping क्या है, we are going to cover all that in this course. So don't worry, you will be able to take orders after this course. Then sari draping 9 to 10 techniques. घाघरा उड़ना स्टाइल है, बंगाली है, महाराष्ट्रियन में नौवारी है, you know various types like गुजराती ड्रेपिंग कैसा है, दुपट्टा ड्रेप कैसे करना है, variety of techniques and the multiple dimensions to it. Now your question must be like, madam practice कैसे मिलेगा, do we have to get the model, आप मॉडल दोगे क्या? So now the answer for this is, आप प्रैक्टिस एक दूसरे पे करोगे, क्लास में बहुत सारे लोग हैं, so you will be practicing in the class with on each other, because these are COVID times. We are going to maintain 4 to 5 feet distance between two workstations. We have a very big academy of 2000 square feet, so we have enough mirrors, chairs and enough place to practice at a distance. फिर प्रोडक्ट्स आपको लाने हैं क्या? जी नहीं, आपको एक भी प्रोडक्ट नहीं लाना है. आपको एक 10% टूल्स लाइक ब्रशेस हो, आई लैशेस फॉर प्रैक्टिस या कॉन्टैक्ट लेंसेज फॉर प्रैक्टिस, डमी स्टैंड, ऐसी एक लिस्ट है विच आवर टीम कैन सेंड यू ऑन अ पीडीएफ with the syllabus. You can contact our team on the numbers given below, and you don't have to bring any product. Okay, we will be giving you all the products. कौन से प्रोडक्ट देंगे? क्राइलॉन है, फेरारूसी है, मेबेलिन, Chaparral, Forever 52, Makeup Studio, Bourjois, PAC, NYX, Faces, Colorbar, all standard products which as a newbie in the makeup or a fresher in the makeup, you can easily invest. These are not like very costly. क्या हो जाता है? It's a trap. People learn very high-end courses. They spend 1 lakh, 1.5 lakh, 2 lakh, and then there's nobody to pay them on the cost or equivalent to the cost what they have invested in the learning and on the product. So I think this course is a good deep dip in the the ocean and just understand what all is required. आपको आगे जाके इसमें कितना काम करना है. Is your interest really in makeup, hair, draping, or you don't have that much interest? So जो भी लोगों को ये सारे queries है, I think this is a good course, reasonably priced for you to go ahead. Yeah. Certificate and notes will be given by us. Then at the end of the class, we are going to create a portfolio shoot for you, which will help you to put it on your social media. आपको एक फोटोग्राफी का आइडिया आएगा कि कैसे शूट्स चलते हैं, हाउ आर द बिहाइंड द सीन थिंग्स, और टाइमिंग में आपको मेकअप कैसे खत्म करना है, अगर ब्राइड के साथ आप काम कर रहे हैं, सो हाउ द लाइटिंग हैज टू बी, सो लॉट ऑफ इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग्स व्हेन इट कम्स टू प्रेजेंटेशन. So now here you can see the products what we are offering. As I said, जो list दिया है वही products हम आपको practice को देंगे. All the palettes are like Krylon है, Morphe है, Ferrarusi, then NYX है. Lot of products you can see over here. Then all the gadgets which are required for hairstyling, which are like hot rollers, dryers, irons, crimpers, we are going to give you. And as I said, जो bonus में हम लोग एक airbrush और MAC makeup सिखाने वाले, we are going to give you the list of what products we are going to use. So this was all about this 1 month intensive. ये part time course है. It is not 1 full month. It's Monday to Friday अभी. Next year when we plan this is 2021 August. Next year when we plan this course, we might keep it just 2 weeks for full day. अभी हम लोगों को बहुत सारे ब्यूटिशियंस ने रिक्वेस्ट किया है कि मैम प्लीज कीप इट पार्ट टाइम सो दैट वी कैन केटर टू आवर क्लाइंट्स है, घर पे बच्चे हैं, we have our other duties, responsibilities, so we have kept it as a part-time course for 1 month, Monday to Friday. We might come up with a weekly batch but not in 2021. Now ये same course जाएगा next year. We have other courses, so if you contact on the numbers given below, our team can guide you on what course suits you. So this was all about the masterclass, the intensive class for 1 month. And I hope this helps a lot of people who have budget issues, who have training issues, बाहर कहीं पे कोर्स किया है, अच्छे से मेकअप नहीं सिखाया है, all these aspects, we are going to cover. So now, coming to the end of this video, I have few common questions which people ask me. Can I take bridal makeup orders is a common question asked by freshers, like जो first time कर रहे हैं, या beauticians है first time going into makeup. Definitely yes. हमारे 6 days course के आप testimonials अगर देखते हो तो in 6 days also people start taking orders. Definitely don't compete yourself with the top-notch artists right now in the industry, because it's a journey. You have to create your portfolio, you have to create your name, you have to ground it for your market. So that's going to take time, but at least you will start getting orders from your friends, family, yeah, in your network. Who should do this course is a question which I've already answered in the beginning. How do we get practice? I've already answered. Few classes give products for initial practices, then they ask students to get those products, or they ask the student to get the vanity. Very good question. Yes, there are a lot of classes which will assure you starting में कि हाँ हम लोग आपको practice के लिए products देंगे, but 2 या 3 practice करते, so then they'll tell you नहीं, now you get your palettes, get your eyeshadow palette or whatever, and then you can practice. No, if at Impression International Academy, if we are promising you can make up products हम आपको practice के लिए दे रहे, we are going to give you that. So 90% of the things we are going to give, 10% जो tools है, brushes है, cleansers है, lashes है, few things, like if you want to work on good quality lashes like PSC and Beautylicious, then we are going to ask you to get it. Just contact our team के products क्या लाने, and then they will give you the list. We don't mind it sharing with you initially. Then will we be getting same product what teacher uses, or what do we get the cheaper products? Again, this is a question from somebody who is really frustrated from some outside course they did. And what was the question of the student कि मैम हम लोगों को टीचर सिखाते हैं ना, तो उनके वैनिटी पे सिखाते हैं जिसमें मैक है, बॉबी ब्राउन है, टार्ट है, बहुत अच्छे प्रोडक्ट्स है, and we as the students don't have those products, we have our small vanity. So वो सिखा के जो जाते हैं उनका रिजल्ट और हमारा रिजल्ट में बहुत डिफरेंस है. बट व्हाट द टीचर टेल्स, नहीं टेक्निक इंपॉर्टेंट है, प्रोडक्ट इंपॉर्टेंट नहीं है. देन to those teachers, my question is, why don't you teach on the same products? तो आप भी अगर सुनने वाले में से है, if you have gone through the same problem or same challenge कि टीचर बहुत हाई एंड प्रोडक्ट पे सिखा रही है एंड स्टूडेंट बहुत लो एंड प्रोडक्ट पे काम कर रहा है, and the teacher is saying it's the technique and not the product, then ask your teacher to give you the same result on the cheap products or the low price products. It is not possible. You cannot expect cheap and best to go hand in hand. You have to have fairly priced, fairly good products to top notch products. That is the reason ये course में products हम लोग देने वाले हैं, and we are not going to pester you for getting the products. Once the list is given to you, everything else is on us. Okay, the last question is, what all things students have to get? Again, the same answer, you will get the list once you take the admission. So do contact us. I will just share the last slide where our numbers are flashing, or you can read in the description below. If you're watching us on YouTube, please don't forget to subscribe my channel Kalyani_Umrani. Kalyani Umrani Education on YouTube, and on Instagram I'm Kalyani_Umrani. In case if you still have any doubts, speak to our counselors, DM us, put a comment below, and we would love to answer your questions. Thank you, and I'll see you in the class. Bye.